Good morning, guys. Okay, so we've got a few decent movers this morning. There is SECO, which is gapping up a decent amount. It closed at just under $10 at $9.91, and it's up to $15.30. NBEV, I know this one moved a little bit yesterday and has been gapping up the last few days, and so this one it's highest it's ever been in the last few days. So we'll see what this one does. It's not at its lifetime high, but it's the high of the last week or so. And so we'll see what NBEV does. DPW, I believe this is a crypto related stock, sitting at 304 now, closed at 270, so gapping up a significant amount. FCEL as well is gapping up some from 185. Also watching a few other ones, still kind of looking around to see what I can find. You can see FCEL is going up to 210 now. What's up, guys? Can you hear me? What's up, JT? Philip, Richie, Juan. What's up, guys? Can y'all hear me? Let me know. It's showing that you should be able to hear me, so let me know if you can't. Richie, Juan, what's up, guys? Okay, yeah, it's showing that you should be able to hear me. Alright, so you can see FCEL starting to run up a little bit. I'm still looking for stocks, so I have a few on my other monitor, but let me see what I can find here. Okay, good. The picture quality is good and everything. Picture looks good. Alright, so far my watch list is NBEV, SECO. I'm going to go ahead and add it to the chat now. DPW, FCEL, LEDS. And some of these are gapping down. The ones that are gapping down, I'm looking for a possible rebound reversal. Alright, so that's what's on. Okay, so here's my watch list. Weird. It's not letting me post this. There we go. That was weird. It wouldn't let me post it. NVAX. There you go. Alright, so FCEL. Alright, so there's my watch list. I'm going to keep looking. PTIE. Gapping down some. CPAH. Small gap. MRTX. Pushing up a small amount. NYSZ. Small gap. CRIS, USAU. Let's see what else I can find. BOIL. VIVE. Small gap, WPCS, small gap, MBVX sitting right at 1. XSPA. Small gap here as well. Alright, so this is what's on my second monitor. There is LEDS gapping down, looking for it to possibly rebound. GIGM sitting just over $4. Good morning, Abby. Good morning, Zilkany. What's up, guys? And then there's MFIN at 477, small gap. NVAX technically gapping down some, but it's moving enough for me to want to watch it still. Same thing with KODK, gapping down some, but has a lot of volume, so going to be keeping an eye on it. And RMGN gapping, sitting at 120. Let's see which ones of these are tradable. Alright, so NBEV is not tradable. SECO is. Nice. DPW is. RMGN is not. LEDS is. GIGM is not. MFIN is not. NVAX is. KODK is. FCEL is. So let's see. Yeah, FCEL. Good call. Yeah, I think this one was on my list already, but I took it off to start looking for more right here. I think this one was right here, but it's pushing up nicely at 217. So a decent little run here. MYSZ, a small gap. TEUM, gapping up a small amount as well. CVM. Yeah, I like FCEL and NBEV, SECO. Let me know if you guys see anything else that I don't have on my list. Look at MGI here. Yeah, look at MGI. That one just popped up. Had a huge push in 1 minute in pre-market. Must have had good news. Let me see. Check out MGI, guys. That one's probably has the biggest push so far in after hours that I see. KSHB. Yeah, it's OTC, unfortunately. I can't trade it. But yeah, look at MGI from MoneyGram. I've used MoneyGram before. MoneyGram is like Walmart's money transferring service. It's similar to Western Union. Must have had good news. Alright, so we've got a few decent movers. Good morning, commentary. That's what it is, Philip. I see. LPCN. Yeah, I do like LPCN. Actually, for a possible rebound, especially if we can get over this and hold, maybe fill some of this gap going up. What do you guys think of NVAX? Do y'all think it's done? It's at 198. It's gapping down about 14 cents so far. I know, commentary, where you been at, bro? Your money's been tied up in INPX. Hopefully you got out when it was up here over 50 cents. Hold on 1 second, guys. Yeah, I do see RMGN flying up right here. Look at this. It's on my right monitor. Crazy. Up from $1, so it's up 50 cents. Hey man, commentary, at least it was break even, man. You know, at least it wasn't a losing trade. So, it's not too bad. Let's see what the news on RMGN is. Let's see if I can pull it up here. Yeah, there's not really any news release on RMGN today. The last news story that Thinkorswim showing came out December 27th, and so this one's moving purely off of technical analysis, most likely. Now let's see SECO. All right, so SECO is a blockchain play. It has a news release out about them getting their blockchain. Let me see. Certificate launch of their blockchain certificate on SECO. So a lot of times those have been running lately. So I'll keep an eye on it. It's already up a huge amount already, but we'll see what it does here. INPX, you know, It's down some. Let me see. NPX, I mean, it's kind of going sideways. It's down 1 penny after this crazy move Tuesday morning. All right, so there goes RMGN coming back down some. Don't do what? Commentary. All right, so NVAX looks a little interesting here. Let me pull a 2-minute chart up. If it drops under this, I mean, this was big support right here under this, and so we'll see if it drops under that level. Where is that at 180 basically. GIGM is a small gap. JTPY, yeah, I saw that one. It wasn't moving that much the last time I looked at it. I mean, it's not too bad. It's going sideways, but we'll see. It could run here. Yeah, don't worry about me, commentary. I'm not an investor, man. I never invest anything. The most I'll hold a stock is overnight. Also watching GIGM. See, it's at $3.99 now, sitting right under that whole dollar. FCEL sitting at 217. MYSZ. Yeah, small gap up. We'll see if RMGN can rebound here and get back up to 154 at its highs. Big drop on MGI. Let's see. NOVN starting to run a little bit. XSPA doesn't look too bad. Well, one, I'll try to make some money, man. Can't guarantee it. I'm still a new trader, you know. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, we'll see what MGI does, see if it rebounds a little bit. It went up to 1787, so a huge move, and then it came all the way back down to 1360 something. So we'll see what it does. But yeah, XSPA maybe. What's up, Kevin? FCEL back down to 210. Also on my small gap scanner, MFIN showed up. It's barely gapping up some. It closed at 465. It's sitting at 469 now. So we'll see if this one gets a little move up to 5. Got about 15 minutes till they open. Let's see. RMGN went down to 130. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So JT, you said XSPA has a bit of the bullish belt hold forming. The steam is a bit long. What steam? Let's see, so CNET. CNET is getting a volume spike here. Look at CNET going up to its high in pre-market so far, 580. Yeah, same thing with CNET. Look at this big upwick right here. RELL, Philip. Yeah, it needs a little bit more volume. It's doing, most of the time it's doing less than 1,000 shares a minute, which is pretty low. And so we'll see. I think MGI gave too much back. It might be oversold, so I'm looking for it to rebound. Yeah, one thing I've noticed though with swing trades, and I might start trying this. It could definitely backfire one of these days, but um, a good short is what I've been noticing is that a lot of times these huge runners they never hold their gains because I mean they're penny stocks, and so if you short them after a huge push like that, you can effectively hold it for a few days and just let it kind of unwind down and make money shorting it. It sounds plausible, but I don't, if one of these stocks ever do go on a huge run on the second or third day, it could kind of, give you a pretty big loss, but it seems like a plausible trade idea. I might start trying it one of these days. And CNET is a good example of that. CNET is tradable. Let's see. MGI is not tradable on TradeNet. Man, that's crazy. Right, that's what I was thinking, JT. You set a tight stop, let it run for you. You might get stopped out a good percentage of the time, but the ones that do end up dropping down, it seems like a plausible short idea. Good morning, Ali. Alright, so we'll see what happens here. XSPA is getting a little volume spike here. Starting to come up some. Decent volume. I don't think I can trade this one on TradeNet. Let me see. I know, man. AKER, Ali. Let's check it out. Yeah, I mean, especially if it gets over 21 cents and fills some of this gap, that's where it looks interesting to me. Yeah, it definitely looks interesting if it can get over this 21 level to fill some of this gap down all the way up to that 35-cent level. Yeah, FSAL's on my watch list. It's just on my other screen right now. MEIP. Yeah, MEIP doesn't look too bad. Watch it over 250 is what I'm going to be doing. KODK is also on my list, but it's gapping down some. But this is one that I was talking about. So sometimes they have these big runs. They rarely hold them. Most of the time they end up coming back down. You can see some good examples of that are what, HMNY. HMNY went up to 40, came back down. But if you short it too soon, you know, you're going to get caught in this big push sometimes. XNET was another one, although it's starting to creep back up, but it came all the way back down. What's another one? MFIN, I think was one. Maybe not MFIN. LFIN was one. Went up to 142 in December. Yeah, I'm watching DPW as well. What's up, insurance? Yeah, we're watching LPCN. It's got the big gap down, right? Yeah. Over 180. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. NBEV isn't tradable. Let's see. On U stock, or man, NBEV was my main watch, but I can't trade it. One of my main watches. So what should I put here? I guess RMGN or maybe LPCN, but I don't think I can trade that one either. GIGM is what I'm watching. RMGN. MGI. Keep that ready. Let's see. SECO I can trade. LEDS I can trade. LPCN I don't think I can trade. Nope. NVAX I can. Alright. Good morning, Andre. Where you been at, man? I was wondering, I was thinking about that yesterday, where Andre was, man. But what's up, insurance, Andre? Can't pronounce the other guy's name, sorry, man. Look at RMGN here. RMGN at 160 now. Up to 158. Good morning, Isaiah. What's up, man? All right, so the market opens in 2.5 minutes. Look at RMGN up to 165. Big push. Big drop on FCEL now. GE. General Electric, I believe, right? Yep. Yeah, I remember seeing this one a few months ago. I think it was at like 14, so it's up a decent amount. Maybe it wasn't 14, maybe it was a little lower or a little higher. Yeah, reversal though. You can see it's been heading down since January of last year. Now it's going to start reversing maybe. Might be a good play. Yeah, LPCN dropping down to 170. It bounced right back up to 178 though. That's rough, Corey. I don't know, man. That's rough. Let's see DGAZ. Ooh, man, that's rough, man. All right, market's about to open. Three, two, one. Good luck, everyone. There goes RMGN up to 175. Watching SECO here to see if it does maybe a washout long setup, but it's dropping quick. Also, I updated my Thinkorswim to where it gives me live, like real-time updates, so I can see it's moving much quicker. Man, look at RMGN, guys. Big move. Up to 198, 203. See if we can get back over 2. Alright, so I'm in RMGN with 30 shares. $225, nice. $238. Crazy move. $236. See if we can get up to $250. Man, look how much faster my Thinkorswim's moving after updating it. Yeah, I'm probably going to bail out here depending on what it does. Back up to 220, 227, 228. Big long up wicks on it. We'll see if it could push over that high. But man, I'm surprised. Look how much faster my Thinkorswim's moving since I updated it. It's moving substantially faster than it did before. RMGN struggling here. I'm going to bail out soon. Yep. $5 loss. I'll take it. LEDS trying to grind back up here. Got a 1 minute pullback on, hold on, there goes SCCO. Dropping down to the low of the day. Barely missed it. CERS maybe running a little bit. STM. Alright, so I'm in SECO with 15 shares. Looking for it to drop under that 1350 level. There we go. Nice drop. 1323. Looking to be a little bit longer term hold with SECO with small share size. Right back up to 1350 down to 1331. Let's see if it continues to head down. I'm a little worried about this one because it's blockchain news, which has been a big runner. There goes RMGN. $13.20, $13.08, nice. See if we can break down under 13. There we go, drop under 13. Let's see it. There we go. Man, I'm impressed with Thinkorswim moving this quickly, man. Whew. Here we go down to 1390s. There's a pop right there. I don't like that pop. Wow, quick pop. Probably should have taken profits when I could have on SECO here. There goes our MGN up to 249. Still holding SECO here, trying to let it drop under 13. Down to 13 again. Let's see if it gets a clean drop under. But man, look how fast my Thinkorswim's moving. That's crazy. All right, I took a $6 profit on SECO. Small gain. Worried it's going to bounce again, so I took profits when I could. Let's see what else is moving. SAN. Look at NVAX here. NVAX is coming all the way back down to test the low of the day. Look at KODK here trying to make a comeback. FCEL. Yeah, the only reason I got out of SECO so early is because it's a blockchain catalyst, and those have been running pretty big, and so it could very easily reverse here and head all the way up. It looks like it was the right decision because it's up to 1350 now. DNR. Small runner. MVCR. RHE. If you like these little cheap plays, RHE has been on a big run. RHE. RHE is tradable on TradeNet. Wow, this little cheap penny stock is tradable. Crazy. Alright, so watching FCEL for a washout long setup. Look at RHE though. This one is tradable on TradeNet. But yeah, my Thinkorswim, what I did is I went to settings. I went to setup at the top right. I went down to application settings and I went to system. And for quote speed, I went to real time, no delay. And it's quick, man. It's not what I'm used to. Nice trade on RMG and Andre. Good job, bro. Starting to wash now. Couldn't make it over 250, but nice play still. Alright, so there goes FCEL here for a washout long. We'll see if we can break that 220 high. FCEL pulling back. PLUG. Trying to run CMCM. Look at CMCM here, guys. A little bit more expensive of a stock, but look at this big push. KODK having a washout long. Look at KOKD here breaking the high of the day. Washout long, pushing up. Up to 985, 990 on KODK. SECO pushing back down towards the low of the day. CYTX, if you like these cheap penny stocks, here's another one. CYTX. Running up some, up to about 40 cents. Alright, so there goes SECO. I guess I should have held it, but didn't like the bounce. Down to 1278 on SECO, 1266. SPWR. Man, look at SPWR, guys. Small gapper. Up to $9 at its high now. Yeah, HMNY is pushing up. SECO down to 1240s. Huge wash on SECO, guys, down to 1230. CUR. CUR getting a little volume spike here. This one is tradable on TradeNet. NBR. Trying here, NBR. Broke the high of the day at 790. Not a huge range on it though for a little bit more expensive stock. We'll see though. BCRX. Yeah, BCRX is trying here. PYDS, Ali. Man, what a crazy move. Yeah, it was halted at 848. NVAX. SECO down to 1235 now. CYTX. All right, so this is kind of that crucial level with SECO. It's the low of right here in after hours in pre-market, 1245. BLDP. BLDP at 437. PDS. PDS is running some. Sees at 350. CHK trying, SN, PES, HK. Yeah, I should have held SECO, but man, look at that move. Down to 1216. CPG. Up to 907. FCEL couldn't hold over that previous push. Looks like it may go sideways for a little while. CMCM. Up to 1680. Man, look at that move on SECO though, down to 1170 now. Nice insurance. Good job, bro. NBR. EPE. EYEG, SCON. SCON is getting a little volume spike here. We'll see if it follows through now. CUR breaking the high of the day at 209. CMC went all the way up to 1717. Big upwick. We'll see if it washes out some. AMSC. Look at this volume on AMSC. Up to 530. AMSC. DPW trying to break the high of the day here. Up to 310. Nice insurance. NXTD. Yeah, NXTD starting to flag a little bit and run. PXS. PXS getting a volume spike here. Mark. Yeah, Mark's really choppy this morning though. Alright, so there goes CUR here. Up to 211. Breaking the high of the day. Look at PXS coming all the way back down after that push. CUR up to 213, 214. CRIS. Not enough volume on CRIS. SCON trying here. Look at NVAX here. CUR up to 217. What's up, Ant? Up to 219 on CUR. SHLD. Had this crazy move up to 374. Now it's sitting right above 350. Yeah, I'm very skeptical of PXS. I've always have been. It had that crazy move and then washed out. Now it's down to the twos. NVCR. RAD. RAD looks like a little bit higher float stock, but it's testing the high of the day now. 220 CUR. Watching RAD here for Rite Aid. There goes Rite Aid, just broke the high of the day. Up to 229. Got up to 230. Higher float stock, kind of hard to make some decent gains with it. CCIH. Look at CCIH here, guys. Look at this big volume spike all the way up to $3. PKD, little cheap stock. There goes CCIH's drop under 3. GRPN. Seco still handing down SECO. KODK washing down to the 930s. PFNX. Yeah, if you can get over 372, but that's a big if. You know, it may run. Sitting at 350, we'll see if it breaks it cleanly here. CMCM breaking over the high of the day again. This one's been on a big run today as well. Up to 1737, 39, 47. RMGN trying here. Trying to make a bounce over 2 again. Big drop on CMCM. RAD up to 233. PDS low grind up. GSUM getting some more volume. GSUM. Alright, so I'm watching KODK here for a possible short. Same thing with NKTD here. I don't know if it's going to make it over here. OIL. UCO, a little bit more expensive of a stock, but it's pushing up nicely. RMGN dropping back down. NVAX dropping under 2. And my voice is giving out. Alright, so you can see NVAX here at 196. HLX. APHB. SPWR at 907. Yeah, I wish I could short RMGN right here. It looks like a nice short, but I can't. But yeah, fake people out for sure. CYH up to 460. KODK. RMGN. Yeah, I can't short it anyway, Andre. It's not available on TradeNet. NOG getting a volume spike here. NOG. I've traded that one before. There's the drop I was looking for with CCIH. Missed it. ARAY. Look at ARAY here. It's a little breakout. Looks like a high float stock, but pushing up nicely still. BPTH. NXTD giving it up. CYH up to 466. CDXS to 920. PED getting a little push here, trying. REXX, cheap stock at 183 now, getting some volume here coming in. Up to 188, REXX. CYH up to 470. ENRJ, I remember this one. Little cheap penny stock. It's running some. Big move. Look at REXX's drop, man. Crazy, crazy move. EVEP getting some volume. Yeah, it's kind of moving sideways. It's had a lot of volume this morning, but RMGN, a little sketchy. LPCN breaking the high of the day here. LPCN. Looking for a potential gap fill. After this gap down. See if we can get over 2. INFN. APHB getting a spike. CMCM going sideways here for a little while. AUY. Yeah, insurance. That's most brokers, man. CNET. Look at CNET here, guys. Wow. Up to $6, $6.10. Trying to get over 6. Look at that move on CNET, man. Crazy. Up to 608, 617. Look at that move. Crazy move. On CNET. There goes RMGN's wash down to 184. EVEP at 83. AGI breaking under the low of the day here. There goes CNET's breaking over the high of the day again. Look at that move, man. Up to 623. Let's see if we can hold over it. Long up wicks that I'm seeing here. That was a big move. Maybe a little overextended now. We'll see on CNET. GSUM. Yeah, GSUM's pushing up nicely, breaking over 12 here. Up to 1210 on GSUM. Got up to 12, almost to 1220. There goes CNET, breaking the high of day up to 630. $625. Trying here. It's already pretty extended after that push, but it could continue running here. It's got the volume to do it on CNET. Up to 620s. Trying here up to 625. Nice, Olivier. Good job, bro. Alright, so there goes CNET up to 630. It may get halted soon, guys. 637, 638. Got up to 639. I think it's going to get halted soon. $640. I'm guessing it's going to get halted at the 650 break. When the most volume is in, we'll see. KBH. Yeah, it looks like a nice breakout here. On KBH. Nice, Andre. Good job, bro. SRCI getting a little push here. SEAS has a nice volume spike on SEAS. up to 1475 now. Here's the pullback on CNET. It didn't get halted like I thought it would. I thought it may get halted if it broke 650. SID. Slow grind up here at 326. Yeah, I thought it may get halted. It was running like it was going to. Look at NXTD here up to 340. I think I can trade this one on TradeNet. Yeah, I can. NXTD at 344. Getting a nice volume jump. Struggling to hold over that previous high of yesterday on NXTD. GGB. GGB slow grind up. TTOO. SID. GSUM holding over 12. Yeah, today's just been a slow, patient day trading. I don't see anything I liked that much. And so I'm just being patient today. I have a very small gain, but I'll take it. Very small gain. But just being patient today. NLST, little cheap penny stock trying to run here. CYTX breaking over the high of the day. Little cheap penny stock here. Broke over that 41-cent level. Tommy, I'm up like $6 in gross profit, probably like $3. So very slow day. I don't want to force trades. I forced trades on Monday and it ended up hurting me pretty bad. So just taking it slow. I didn't really see anything else I liked. And I got scared out of the one trade I was in, which was SECO. It was the right trade idea. I just didn't hold it all the way through. So it ended up being a very tiny gain. Had a lot more profit to take. Got in here at $13.49. Sold right around 13. So a 50-cent gain, but didn't hold it as long as I wanted it to. SCNET running up here. NBEV. Yeah, NBEV's trying. NSPR. Yeah, it's going sideways. Yeah, I'm just trying to have patience. You know, I'm not going to force anything. Some days are more active than others. NIHD, guys. NIHD. Sitting at, got as high at 172 basically. That's rough, Andre. You'll bounce back, man. Yeah, RMGN's just going sideways. The two I'm really waiting on are KODK short under the low and NVAX short. But NVAX is forming somewhat of a triangle, so I don't necessarily trust it as much. CMCM breaking the high of day again. Got over 1750. And RMGN. Yeah, it's going sideways. It got rejected last time at 2, but it's holding most of the big push it made this morning. So we'll see. Run PED. PED breaking out. Yeah, it's contract for difference, but I can short anything that's actually tradable. CNET's tradable, NXTD is. I don't think PED is. I can check. No, PED's not. CYTX is not. But NVAX is. KODK is. What's another one? SECO, the one I traded this morning was, obviously. BORN, no. CYH is. COH just broke the high of the day here. Yeah, but I'll take my little tiny gain. I'd rather have an extremely small gain than a loss, so I'll take it. CYH, though, breaking the high of the day at 477. Yeah, I've got a video on TradeNet insurance, so just go to my videos and look for my review of TradeNet. I go over the good things and the bad things about it, so just watch the review before you decide. You know, there's some flaws. A lot of stocks aren't tradable. The commissions aren't too bad, and the platform's decent, fast executions, and so it's a decent broker. I like it so far. VRAY up to 1020s, getting some volume here. There goes CYH up to 480s, getting a little bit of a volume spike. Yeah, no problem, insurance. We'll see if CNET ever gets some more momentum going back up. CYH is up to 483. It had some resistance there. Let's see. Sitting at 480. Yeah, it's hard to tell exactly when a pump's going to happen, but it's kind of easy to spot a pump. If it goes up a ridiculous amount for no reason, like if there's no catalyst, you know, then it's usually a pump. Alright, so KODK starting to come back here. I was looking at it for a potential short, but maybe it's a good long. We'll see at 965 now. TRVG, Trivago. Slowly running up here. HUSA. HUSA, a cheap penny stock starting to run. Getting up to 37. BOIL, getting a little volume jump here. CDE breaking the high of the day. Yeah, RMGM needs, I mean, it might start dropping here. It's looking to break the low of the day here, or the low of this push. So if it breaks under that, it might turn bearish, especially if it breaks under this level right here, which is around 150. I'd be careful with it if it breaks under there. CHK, getting a little volume spike here. Alright, so RMGN's down to, it got down to 183. LEDS. Yeah, since the market opened, it's not doing much. Well, a good short maybe under 455 or the 450 level probably. I'll be watching it to see if it breaks under there. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. But yeah, we'll see if LEDS can hold over 5. AREX starting to break out some. TRVG, same thing. I missed this short on FCEL. Under 2. Looked like a nice short. TRVG has been on a slow grind up. FCEL, I'm really considering shorting it here down to about that 190 level, but doesn't look like it's moving quite fast enough. SDRL. Penny stock. NEPT testing that 320 high. Bummed out I missed the short on SECO. I mean, I made a little bit on SECO, but I could have made a ton more, so bummed out I missed that. But yeah, guys, I'm probably going to go ahead and close the stream down now. Good luck for the rest of the day. My son's still home sick, and so I don't know if I'll be able to do a power hour stream today. I'll try to. But if not, I'll see you guys later. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate the support, and hitting that like button now and hitting that subscribe button does help support us, so we would appreciate it if you do. But yeah, guys, good luck for the rest of the day. I'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching, guys.